true pioneer and somebody who I feel like, obviously, I didn't personally know him, but he lived life to the fullest and lived each day like it could be his last. And that's the kind of attitude I try to take into my everyday life. Bob definitely, he was also, seems like an inventor. He's an entrepreneur and, just adventurer and courageous and, all those type of things. So I look up to him and just honored to be mentioned. I feel like I should be giving out an award to Manhattan Beach as opposed to the other way around. The fire department has saved my life twice. All of our friends and the rest of the community and the businesses, they're the thing that keep this thing here at NextStep going. And friends in the Manhattan Beach community are always there to lend their support. And so it means the world to me, and to be recognized by such an amazing group of people and such an amazing community, I'm beyond grateful.